Okay, so if you get a question that asks you to round to a certain number of decimal places, always start at the centre at the decimal point. This one asks me to round to 1 decimal place, so I create 1 place in, I draw my cut-off point. I am interested in the number to the right of that line. If that number is 4 or less, then I would round down. If that number is 5 or greater, I would round up. As this is greater than 5, my answer is going to be 23 point. I round the 4 up, I get 5. Again, regardless of how many digits there are in the number, always start at the decimal point. Okay, 1 place in, draw your line, and you look into the numbers to the right of the line. This time it's 4 or less, which means I round down. So it's 4171 point. If I'm rounding down, it stays as a 1. Again, if you get another kind of question that asks you to round to 2 decimal places, set the decimal point, count 2 places in, and draw your cut-off point. Look at the number to the right of the line. Again, it's 5 or greater, which means I need to round up. So it's 30.1. The 7 rounds up, and I get an 8. As I said before, it doesn't matter how many digits there are, always start at the decimal point. Counting 2 places in, draw my cut-off point. The number to the right of the line is greater than 5, so I need to round the 4 up. So I get 5681.25.